My name's Kyson We lived in our house now for 3 years, and we've had solar for about a year. Being in a new subdivision, we had a lot of people knock on our door asking us to talk about solar. We've talked to quite a few, but didn't feel like anyone really had a full grasp on solar. And we were actually looking for a system that had a battery. And so once Josh came and knocked on our door, it just kind of worked out for us. Everything seemed to fit right, and the battery system was really what sold us on the system. So I've always enjoyed solar or the thoughts of solar, but for me, just having that peace of mind that even if the power goes out, which happens often, I still have the ability to keep my freezer, my fridge, some fans, some lights, and still be able to enjoy being able to not have problems while it can get so hot, especially this summer.
Yeah. And you've had the power go out here?
Yeah, we've had it go out multiple times, and honestly, we don't even know about it until I go and look on my app and see that there is an outage. So it seems like anyone I talk to that's talked about their power bill, I always say, well, why don't you have solar? I definitely feel like I'd recommend, yes, solar, but this specific system to anyone. I just feel like it's very reliable, works really well. We had the chance to work with Joshua Jackson, and then the team that came in to actually install, they were very respectful. They scheduled ahead of time, just made sure that we knew what was going on, which I really appreciated. So you don't tend to see that in today's world as much. So it was nice to see a company that's still focused on the clients that they're working with. So that's something I really admire about ES Solar.